Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change your name in your Gmail inbox really quickly. For example, if you'd like to send emails to your recipients with another user or sender name here on Gmail, let us show you how to do that really quickly. It is actually super simple. Head over to Gmail inbox, and what you want to do, guys, is enter or access your Gmail inbox settings by clicking on that gear icon in the top left and by selecting See All Settings below. And here inside your Gmail settings, switch from general here at the top to this section or tab here, accounts and import. And what you want to do here, guys, is check what name you're currently using next to send mail as here to the right. So here you see your current name and the associated email address. So you may, for example, edit that info or change your name by clicking on edit info here to the right. That is going to open up that menu here. So here, simply switch from your current name to that box below, and here to the right in the text box, type in your preferred new sender name and confirm these changes by clicking on that button here, and that is going to apply these changes instantaneously so that you may use that sender name, that changed sender name from now on here on Gmail. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it, and we'll see you next time.